Feminine health and hygiene issues are often considered uncomfortable to talk about, but we at Glamorous want to open up the conversation. One of these topics being urinary tract infections or UTIs. Have you heard about UTIs but aren't sure exactly what they are and how to prevent them? We're here to help you understand how they occur and how they can be easily avoided to make sure you're informed, healthy, and confident. A UTI is a type of infection that can affect any part of your urinary system, including your kidneys, ureters, bladder, or urethra. A UTI occurs when fecal bacteria from your large intestine enters your urethra, the tube that carries urine from your bladder to outside your body. Once it enters your urethra, it can travel up to your bladder and cause an infection. If left untreated, this infection could travel even further up to your kidneys and result in more severe symptoms. Unfortunately, women are more prone to UTIs than men because of our anatomy. Our urethras are much shorter than men's, which makes it easy for bacteria to travel up to our bladder easily. UTIs can also be caused by sexual activity, improper hygiene, or menopause. We are also more prone to the infection while pregnant. A UTI is accompanied by symptoms like a strong and frequent urge to urinate without actually being able to pass much, and an extreme burning pain when you urinate as well. Another symptom is urine that is cloudy or contains blood. If you experience these symptoms, see a doctor immediately. You will be made to give a urine sample to test and then can be easily cured in just 2 to 3 days with antibiotics. Although it's frustrating that women are so easily prone to UTIs, it's also very simple to prevent them by incorporating these quick tips into your daily life. Drink lots of water and liquids throughout the day to stay hydrated and cleanse your urinary system. Urinate before and after sex, as it will flush out any bacteria that may have entered your system. Make sure you're pushing bacteria away from your urethra by wiping from front to back in the bathroom. Scented feminine hygiene products like washes and wipes might make you feel like you're fresher down there, but they might irritate you instead. Cranberry juice doesn't cure UTIs, but prevents it by stopping bacteria from traveling in your system. So drink up. Above all, make sure to maintain proper hygiene and keep yourself clean. UTIs often recur, so if you've experienced one in the past, be extra cautious. Urinary tract infections are a pain, literally, but they're also extremely easy to avoid. So we hope you find these tips helpful and that this information arms you with the knowledge you need to feel comfortable, safe, and to openly talk about female health issues. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.